Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to do stir-fry pork with green pepper. And these are the ingredients you need. 200 grams of pork tenderloin, 1 green bell pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, water, oil, cooking wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, sugar, black pepper, salt, and Chinese 5-spice. First, I'm going to wash this and then slice it. Cut it into slices. Now I'm going to slice the pork. I'll cut into half. Thinly sliced strip, or you can cut it smaller. It's totally up to you. Sometimes it's getting too big. Okay, now I'm going to marinate the pork tenderloin. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoons of Chinese 5-spice. It's a very powerful spice. A little bit of pepper to your preference. Teaspoon of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. 1 teaspoon water. Mix it and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes or more. Okay, now I'm going to make the sauce with 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy, 3 tablespoons water. Mix it and set aside for later use. Okay, I'm cooking in medium heat. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Add in the meat. Spread it out. Cook until it's brown and then turn it around. Now you can tell it's been sort of like golden brown a bit. You'll turn it around. So you can Okay, I'm going to stir it. It's not fully cooked yet. So now I'm going to cover it. 2 minutes has gone by. And you can tell the pork has been shrunk, so it's cooked. And you can tell by, when you start to put in, it's easily cut. Put it aside. A little bit of oil. Put in the garlic. Stir until the aroma comes. Now I can smell it. The aroma has come out, so I put in the pepper. It's been cooking for 1 minute. I'm going to add back the pork. Add in the sauce. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.